Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 2 of seating arrangement where I will teach you important tips and tricks to solve this topic in minimum time. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. Students, as I've told you earlier in my previous video that this is the set of instructions. We'll extract information from this set of instruction and then answer the questions. Okay, so let's see what is given here. There are 5 friends. They are standing in a row facing south. So students, here I will highlight the direction south. Why? Because you, the students who are facing towards your screen, okay, your left will be the right for the question and your right will be considered as the left for the question. And this is the case only when people are standing in the south direction. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now let's mark these 5 positions as 5 friends are there. It is given Jayesh is to the immediate right to Alok. Okay, so let's consider Alok is standing somewhere here. Now Jayesh is to the immediate right. So Jayesh will occupy this position. Okay, why? Because this side is the right side. So Jayesh will occupy this position. Pramod is between Bhagat and Subodh. We don't know Pramod, Bhagat and Subodh yet. So I will highlight this point. So we'll come back here later. Subodh is between Jayesh and Pramod. See, Jayesh is standing here. Subodh is in between. So Pramod will occupy this position. Because between Pramod and Jayesh there is Subodh. So Subodh will occupy this position. Now let's get back to the highlighted part. Pramod is between Bhagat and Subodh. See, Subodh is here, Pramod is in between, so Bhagat will occupy the extreme right position. Why I am telling extreme right? Because this extreme right is with respect to the question. Okay, here as you can see, this is the right side. So Bhagat will occupy the extreme right position. So this is our seating arrangement. I hope up till now everyone is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. Now let's move on to the very first question. And this is the seating arrangement. Who is at the extreme left end? So this is right and this is left end for the question. So according to the question, they all are facing south. So extreme left is this side and the person standing to the extreme left is Alok. So our answer is option number A, Alok. Let's check. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Who is in the middle? So there are 5 friends. Okay, so third person will always be there in the middle when 5 people are standing. So the third person is Subodh. Either you count from the left side or from the right side. Third person is Subodh. See, to the left of Subodh, there are 2 people, and to the right of Subodh, there are 2 people. As you can see here. See, I am here considering left and right with respect to the question. With respect to the question. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. So Subodh is in the middle. Our answer for this question will be option number D. Let's check. We got the correct answer again. Students, this was a very basic type of question. In the upcoming videos, we'll obviously upgrade our level to moderate and then difficult. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. Bye bye. Thank you.